Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how can you make your own game on Roblox. First of all, go to in Creator and now you have to install just click on this Open Studio and but if you haven't installed yet, it will ask you to download, and if you have installed, you just need to click on this Open Roblox. Now it will open your Roblox Studio. So let me open this here. So once it is open, now click on new and now choose this run line runner. Click on this line runner as you can see, and this is our actually the game we are talking about. This is a game, and yeah, this is how you can create your first game. Now you have to modify this game to make your own game. And so what can you do in this game? Let's play this game. Let's see how, first of all, how it looks. Can you play this game? So first of all, just press F5 to play your game, or you can play, click on this play button. Now press F to start, and you just need to jump over it. Fine, and let me play it again. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's amazing. So you just need to press space to play your game, and so yeah, you can play this game now. It's time to modify this game. So you just need uh, to return into your studio. You have to click on this stop button, and now we are going to modify this game and customize. We are going to customize this. So how can we customize this game? Make your own game. So first of all, guys, you have to be familiar with the mouse button to get used to it, to change the view. Like if you have to press middle button to change the view of your game, and to press right click to change the angle. And so now if you want to add some obstacle right now, so now to modify, you have to go to this file explorer here and expand this workspace. So whatever in the workspace is basically will be shown in the game live. So you have to modify this workspace to add and more customize your game. Just click on any green area on the field and click on it. So now just choose, click on the any block here, and if you don't, if you are not being able to select, you can select. Just go to home and click on the move and select button. And once you select it, now go to in properties. As you can see here, in properties, first of all, you have to choose material. Just click on this drop down button and choose graphics from here. Graphs, as you can see, and now you just need to click on color and choose light green. Fine. And similarly you can select all these green boxes here, green grasses areas. Just press or hold the control and select all these green. Fine. And let me select this one also, this one, and this one, and this one. So, oh, and select again. So you can choose each grass area one by one. and we are going to change it to into a grass area. So and that's that. Now again go to material and choose grass from here and choose in color you can choose light green. So it automatically gets light green as you can see. Fine. And now you have to choose the dark patches. Can choose dark patches, hold control. So to give a your look, so you can do that. You select all the dark patches you are seeing. Also move anywhere you want. Once you select it, now choose any material slate from here slate and choose color and can choose the reddish brown. So it automatically gets reddish brown or you can choose color from here. So you can choose reddish brown. Is that this is not the reddish brown. Yeah, that's better. That's what I'm talking about. And yeah, once you change it, guys, you can modify like this. And this is the basic idea I'm just trying to explain. However, if you want to change the day to light, day to night, and night to day, you just need to navigate to this lightning, lighting, and open it, and you can choose from here. Click on Add button, and now you can change the timing. Is that when you choose timing? Here, just go to properties, and now scroll down and go to in data. And guys, you can just play with this time. So you can keep this time at 8 p.m. around this. And now you can see that it's changed to 9. So it's depend on the time completely. So yeah. Now once you guys are done with the lighting and the colors, now you once you modify the game as per your choice, once you customize it, now it's important to add the start of any game. So you have to go to an explorer and go to this replicate storage, not replicate storage. Or yeah, and then you have to go to in start module and you have to choose this start and move it to your workspace. Just click on it and move it to your workspace above. Let me minimize all the files from here. Yeah, here in the workspace. This is the workspace we are talking about. Let me minimize this. So it will be easy to move it. Just go and just move into here. Now, once you move the start into your workspace, this now you can play your game to see how your game looks. So just press a space to play again. And as you can see, the color has been changed. So the part we have changed, the color we have changed, it's the change, and some of the parts isn't changed yet. So also your points will be found here. So yeah, that's once you're done with your game, just stop it. And now it's time to publish it. To publish your game, you just need to click on File and click on Publish to Roblox. Now enter your name of the game, name of your game. So like La Runner, Free Runner, Free Runner, and you can enter the description here. It is just for our demo. You can enter anything, and now just click on Publish, and anything left here. Click on Create. This is just a simple demo, and so right now this game is only available for you to play. But if you want to make it public, you have to go to in settings, game setting, and let it load first. Make it public, you have to click on file again, click on it, and go to game setting and information, or maybe information, and choose public and click on save. And now the game can be played by anyone. Fine. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.